Hello all, welcome to Distracker channel. This is the very important for the promoting for apps for your particular using for Facebook option. First of all, select your mobile application is Android or iOS. What are the application you will be promoting purpose through your Facebook page? Select your app link will be here. Next one will be, so what are the Facebook page or anything? The option name is called Facebook Creator Studio. Select the create campaign. There are complete were the three categories: awareness, consideration, conversion. In this, we can have to select option name in consideration. They have campaign name is called app install. Go to app install. In this app install, we have option will be there: automated app ads and app ads, which will be selecting for our app purpose. That will be selecting for app ads, manually set up and run your ad campaign. Don't go with the automated. There is a different way. Go with the manual option. Click for next and continue it. In this one, what are the campaign you will be promoting? Here will be selected here. The promoting will be in a particular app is called Rakesh Tech Solutions. In this buying one action app ad, this everything will be here. Click for next. Next one, selecting for RTS. Select your app link will be here. That your particular app link will be given by the particular customers. Done. App link will be, suppose you don't find out app link, simple one. Select will be here. Select it. In this one done, the budget of the 1600 daily is not possible by the 600 budget. See this, your daily ad set budget 600 will be look higher than usual. So minimum will be start from the 75 rupees onwards. How many app installs will be reach? People reach your app, nothing but reach nothing but people see your ad. But in a see ad, how many people will be clicked? 20 to 57 clicks. Increase the budget of 80 rupees. 21 to 61, maybe 21, in between the 22, maybe up to 60 also. Depend on the one. 100. So how much budget will be added to the particular Facebook Ads Manager? Some people will can go for 2500 also. But the daily ad budget 2500 look higher than usual. So I can go with 1000. Same 1000 I will use as well. So 150, 550, 750 higher than 650 accepted, 700 as usual, 665 higher, 650 normal. So minimum daily budget up to we can add by the 650 rupees. We can go to up to 75 rupees to up to 650 rupees budget. Please make a note this point. If you are mentioned daily budget, start from 75 rupees, end with 650 rupees. Sir, can I go with per day 2500 rupees budget? There is nothing use will be work out. The minimum budget of will be 75 rupees, end with the 65 rupees. So for testing purpose, I'm installed by the 80 rupees option. And they will mention by the start date and date. I have to immediate run will be started. That is called start date will mention and time also. Suppose you will start by after 1 day. You can mention by date and time as you wish. But I can running from the current date, in date. This campaign I can only ending for 1 month or 2 month purpose. You can mention by the end date. So this will be in a future. I can run ad any time. Maybe any time will be pause, anytime will be run ad. That option will be given by the end date. Next one. Here, organic, Facebook organic and Facebook pay, what are the different? Facebook organic thing, but you can share content. How many people are watching, how many people will be follow, that all will be checking will be difficult. So in this app promotions, into the paid one, you can target specific location, specific age people. So this will be I'm target by the particular audience only for Hyderabad. Where I'm staying will be Hyderabad. You can radius will select it. Don't go the exact more than 20 radians. Next, age wise, gender wise, that all will be selected from the in a particular option. Gender, male or female, or both we can target will be here. This will be all. Targeting everything will be finished. Language, all languages. Show more option. What are the optimize will be required? You can optimize the particular option. That is a major option for the link click option. Another when we call app event and app installs. When you click for app installs, there will be changing these features. So that is called we can give this particular option name is called link click option will be given. Next, cost control. So anything you will be control the cost. How many people watching my video we can show us a certain budget. That is called your particular cost expensive. So based on the budget, based on location, 854 to 2500 people will be reached. App install will be here. So yeah, app engagement. That all will be we can give to the particular customers. Link click. So app install compared to the link click is more advantages. So that is called we can selecting for link click option. Click for next. Select your page. Facebook and Instagram. So how many are you creating in Facebook? That all ads will be shown to the customer, Facebook and Instagram. When it is showing for Facebook, Instagram, your Facebook page connecting for Instagram also. How to know this? The Facebook page, we can go to the setting option. And the setting option name is called Instagram will be there. So Instagram will be connected, will be successfully. In the particular connectivity is perfect done, the ad will be shown to the particular Facebook and Instagram also. So here everything is there in particular code. Check the ad preview, Facebook feed, Instagram feed, Facebook marketplace, everything. So here I'm missing for image here. Click the media, add media, upload. So the size will be 600 by 600 compass are important. That is making go to Canva. So give me seconds. Okay, those were selected here. Which design will be comfortable, we'll select here. When showing for yellow triangle, nothing but they will be image instant ad will be can't will be portrait will be your ad. Leave it in your selecting for original size. That. So there was a particular post, a particular URL. So in this we can select it by the in the particular option will be here. Show your particular content. In this particular content will be here. Short description, app link, call to action, install now, and post your content. So app link will be not accepted. Selected by the your website link also here. So we can click for install now. You can go to your deep link will be here. The link is already accepted. So that is the URL will be here. So these are all options we can give to the particular customer. After finally click for publish this your particular